Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, we'd like to talk about a Kaito USDT trading pair with my customer set after listing. Let's dive in. All right, guys. I will use the BitGet because BitGet once again listed this token like many others with the lowest listing price. So on the Binance, on the Bybit, on the KuCoin, I guess it's 5 cents and 10 cents listing price. On the Max, it's 88 cents. On the BitGet, it's 1 cent. So it's a big difference, you know. That's why the lowest listing price, the lowest zone of interest, but less risk. So we drop more and more and more. So you can reduce your expectation, you know, with the zone of interest. Of course, guys, it's just in theory. Not all tokens should drop to zone of interest. You know, I use just initiation accumulation pump model for this token. So take a look on a BitGet. After listening, I recommend to use this model, and how to work with this model. You can find the educational video, free content, all content always for free. So the first zone of interest where you can start use DCA strategy is 82 cents 74, 63 cents 45. Take a look on Binance where that level will start. So absolutely the same model, but the levels of zone of interest will be a little bit different. 87 and 69. So like not a big deal, right? But few cents matter. And also the next step, it's 23 cents and 35 cents. It's this block. And in this area, you can add limit order here, 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 4 orders. Your average entry will be around here. And we're going to the zone of fixation profit. Zone of fixation profit is here. And also, you should know the invalidation of this token or any other token's idea if the token dump on the listing price. So that's it. If we'll see something like this one, like IAVO, like DChat, BBL, and Starknet, for example, the zones where to fix profit will be still relevant, but you have to pay attention for the time and for the gains. Because just I would like to explain you here. For example, if this is a zone of fixation profit based on this model, so we got a like 12 time frame, so initiation, accumulation, pump model. So from this block to this block, for example, it can be like let's say this one 200%, right? For the guys who will accumulate at this block, it will be the same zone of fixation profit 777, but imagine the price dump it and add 10. So let's say we drop it under 1 cent, add 10. Right? So the same zone will be 3,400% gains. That's the difference, guys. Looks like not a big deal, right? So we dump, just sweep the listing price. But the gains in percentage from the zone of interest to the zone of fixation profit, absolutely totally different. Also, not all tokens should drop to the zone of interest. Right, so if some token not drop to my zone of interest, I just skip this token. So it's just a simple logic. You can't buy every single token. Take a look how the price respect and reacted to 23 low by FIB. You remember the Celestia, we hold the line at 23 low by FIB, and made a move like this one, and after that rainbow chart, drop it to this block. So guys, first of all, never say never. For not coin, we pump it like this one. After that, dump it like this one. So never say never and work with just probability and the possibilities, right? So this is zone of interest. Let's take a look with my customer set, what's going on now locally. And also, guys, pay attention for the airdrop or wallets, you know, who hold the big amount of this token. Track the fundraising rounds, that's your shadow. After listing, take a look. We got a reaction here on the 1 hour time frame. And this is accumulation. This is a middle line on the direction indicator. For me personally, there is no signal for accumulation. It's on 1 hour time frame. And of course, what we can say about 4 hour time frame. Money power market mood. This is still aphoria. This is we over middle line without any money inflow. So guys, no bullish signals now to buy now, because imagine the people get an airdrop. And of course, it's not necessary, so they will dump now. But at least we can drop to 82 cents. trade on. Now hype around the token, it's happened all the time. Token listed, everybody talk about it, so we go into the moon, and after that we landed and everybody starts screaming it's a scam. So the model works all the time the same way. Sell, drop, buy back. 4-hour time frame, no data. Take profit, 4-hour time frame, no data. 1-hour time frame, no data. 15-minute time frame here. Buy line, now it starts only $1.15. Fundamental value of the token 86 cents, around the first zone of interest on BitGet. On Binance, it already will be in the zone of interest. So take a look here. Fundamental value, it's exactly a test of 0.5 level by FIB. Take profit line on the Binance and on the BitGet the same. It's $2.30, and exit line it's around minus 0.61, $2.60. If we will see, like this wedge, this move, it's going to be the bad case scenario because we're going to waste the time. But it's possible because, yes, in spring we can see the impulse up and then in summer correction. But we're going to waste the time. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what is your realistic local targets for Kaito. And if you'd like to trade with my customer, what I showed in this video, just write Mariam, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.